Paul Griffin's my name. I'm an infectious diseases physician and clinical microbiologist and the director of infectious diseases at the Mater, a big hospital here in Brisbane. I also have a number of other roles. I'm an associate professor of medicine at the University of Queensland, where I have a teaching appointment, and also have an active interest in clinical trials, having been the principal investigator on over 150 clinical trials now, predominantly in new vaccines for infectious diseases. So my career, I guess, started with a science degree. I then did a year of research in a laboratory and then did medicine. And my interest in infectious diseases, microbiology, really carried forward into my medical career. Then I specialised in infectious diseases and clinical microbiology, and then gained exposure to clinical trials and have had an active role being a principal investigator on a number of clinical trials, and also have a significant teaching role in my current appointment, and so teach particularly medical students, as well as involved in education of physicians as well. My main area of research is clinical trials in infectious diseases. I've been the principal investigator on 8 COVID-19 vaccines and continue to run a number of trials, particularly with vaccines for infectious diseases, COVID, influenza, RSV, and others, as well as therapies for different infections as well. My passion is mostly driven by the amount of difference that clinical trials and vaccine development can have in a community, even globally. And I was the principal investigator on a COVID-19 vaccine study, for example, and that vaccine is now licensed and being used across the world. So the potential impact from progressing investigational products through the clinical trial process is extraordinarily broad, and I find that really rewarding. My main interest outside of work is my family at the moment. I've got 3 young children. I love spending time with them. And my other main interest is Australian rules football. I'm quite involved with our local club here, the Brisbane Lions, who are about to embark on another season where it's likely they're going to be very successful. So I spend a lot of time with them, including travelling interstate for games during the season, and that keeps me quite busy in addition to what I'm doing at work.